Okay, Maxwell Biosystem simulation, full open source, just it's right here on the URL. I've gone through a bunch of these things, but what I want to do is mess around with this Python export. So we probably should just get a 3x3 going. We should randomize it. Probably a good idea to train it. And this is doing what would probably take months to do, and I have no idea if it would actually work, so opinions would be very nice. But let's say we did want to run that exact experiment. Here we go, we can generate the Python code, and that should be fairly nicely formatted Python code, and I cannot test it unless I have access to a MaxOne, but anyone who has access to a MaxOne could test that code, give me some feedback about whether it actually works. Remember, this is code that you have generated and specific to whatever experiment you have designed.